In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the ChatGPT demo in a super simple way, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll open ChatGPT, type your first prompt, try a few real use cases, and then use follow-up prompts to improve the answer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a conversation with ChatGPT and get useful results fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first step is to open ChatGPT. You can use the website in your browser, or if you have the app installed, you can open it on your phone or tablet. Once ChatGPT loads, you'll see a chat box where you can type your message. This is where everything starts, and the best way to learn is by keeping your first prompt very simple. For this demo, type "Explain AI" in simple words, then press Enter or Send. ChatGPT will respond with an easy-to-understand explanation, and this is a great way to see how the tool works. Notice how you don't need to write a perfect prompt. You just need to ask clearly what you want. Now let's try a few different use cases so you can see how flexible ChatGPT really is. First, try asking it to write an email. For example, you could say, "Write an email to a client about a delayed project." ChatGPT can help you draft professional messages in seconds, which is especially useful for work, school, or business. Next, try asking it to create ideas. You might type, "Create ideas for a YouTube channel about fitness." This is one of the best ways to use ChatGPT when you feel stuck or need inspiration. It can generate lists, topics, angles, and even content plans. Another great example is solving a problem. You could say, "Solve a problem with my daily schedule." ChatGPT can help you organize tasks, suggest time-saving ideas, or break down a situation into simple steps. What makes ChatGPT so helpful is that you can keep the conversation going. This is called a follow-up, and it helps you refine the answer without starting over. For example, after ChatGPT gives you a response, you can say, "Make it shorter." That tells it to condense the answer. Or you can say, "Add examples." That tells it to make the response clearer and more practical. You can also ask it to rewrite the answer in a different tone, simplify the wording, or turn it into a list. The more you practice follow-up prompts, the better your results will become. A big tip here is to treat ChatGPT like a conversation, not a one-time search. You ask, it answers, and then you improve the response with another prompt. That's what makes it so powerful. If you want better results, be specific, be clear, and don't be afraid to refine the answer step by step. To recap, you opened ChatGPT, entered a simple prompt, tried a few real-world use cases, and then used follow-up prompts to shape the answer. That is the basic workflow for using ChatGPT. And once you get comfortable with it, you can use it for writing, brainstorming, learning, planning, and so much more. If this video helped you understand how to use the ChatGPT demo, please give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.